Now let's take a look at ChinaDirect sourcing.
My name is Lindy Chen and I came from China. My company name is called ChinaDirect Sourcing Services. We are helping business importing products from China. We really estimate whether this project is feasible for them to importing from China or not first. Then we will say this is, tailor-made solution we recommend, and you can use this strategy to go to China. I love my work and love my career. I think, if I have all the work I can choose to do, I would not change my job with anything else. I came to Australia because of my ex-boyfriend. We then separated. I just felt that, the whole world is collapsing on me and the whole world is so big, yet I have no place to stand. One thing and really keep me going is I remembered the place where I fall should be with the place where I should stand up. So I decided I'm going to make it in Australia. When I first arrived in Australia, I felt it's very hard to find a job. I was applying like hundreds and hundreds of jobs and so many application forms and didn't get a chance for interview. And also, I don't know many people here and I don't even know you can't bargain. I go to Woolworths, I start bargaining for the food I bought. I did voluntary work. And the first one, actually, I did Chinese Culture Immersion Day for Naulanga Center in Adelaide. Some people noticed me and they invited me to give seminar about doing business in China. And it was from there people identified I have special talent. Well, we basically sourced from button to bulldozer. We have 30,000 supply our database, and as well we have actually China team on the ground doing all the work and they do all the hard negotiation. Started a business in internet cafe. At that time I couldn't afford a computer, so I went to internet cafe, and then if I have to meet my client, and then I meet in coffee club and present my proposal. Now I still do not have a very flashy office, and now we have probably 6 or 7 full-time team members in Australia. We have 5 in China, and we also host a bunch of intern students from universities. When I first started business, the first year turnover is probably just over $100,000, and now turnover is over $1 million. I just create a big vision for ChinaDirect. We are going to actually expand in all different states in Australia. Australia is a land of opportunity, have so much freedom, and we can really, growing. And if you are committed, you want to make business happen, Australia probably is one of the best places.
Originally from China, now from Queensland, please put your hands together for the lovely Lindy Chen.